Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Epic on iOS. To begin, understand that the game was removed from the App Store, making direct downloads impossible for new players. However, if you previously purchased or downloaded the game on your Apple ID, there is still a way to get it back onto your device. This method relies on your purchase history within the App Store itself. Once in the App Store, tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. From the Account menu, select the Purchased option. This section displays all applications you have ever downloaded or bought using your current Apple ID, even if they are no longer available for new purchases. Scroll through this list to find Angry Birds Epic. After locating Angry Birds Epic in your purchased history, simply tap the cloud icon next to its name to initiate the re-download. Remember, this process is exclusively for users who have previously acquired the game with their Apple ID. If you never downloaded it before, this method will not work for you, as the game is no longer offered for new acquisitions. Now you can once again enjoy the unique turn-based combat and adventure of Angry Birds Epic on your iOS device. Dive back into Piggy Island, upgrade your birds, and defeat the mischievous pigs. While you're enjoying your game, remember to check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading your favorite books anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.